Yeah, I'll get to it. Hey everybody, it's Ned over at My Philippine Dreams. Remember me? Yes, my name is Ned Kelly over at My Philippine Dreams, and I want to sell you a house. Let's check it out, huh? All right, my first foray into the real estate business. I think I'm getting 1% if it sells. All right, so this is the house of a family friend. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath complex in the city of Sibulan, which is just north of Dumaguete City. The owner is asking for 4.5 million, which is about 81,000 pesos, and that is negotiable. That means they'll talk about the price. As you can see, it's got some solar. There's 4 big panels up on the roof. They also got the batteries inside. They got the inverter and all that stuff. They got a carport right here because you want to keep your car out of the sun. It was raining so bad today that our sunscreen over our car actually blew out. But enough about me. Back to the house. So yeah, this is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths. The front yard could use a little weed whacking. She's actually got a weed whacker over there. This used to actually be a big garden right here because you get a lot of sun during the day. You got your nice front porch. We had some nice Christmas and birthday parties out here before. Brings back a lot of memories. And you can see they got security grates. They got the closing windows, and all the windows have screens. Screen front door on the front here, and they never painted it. This is where the inverter and all the electronics are for the solar array. The house is painted white, which is nice, reflects the heat a little bit. Now there's gonna be a lot of echo while we're inside. So those are the batteries right there. Like I said, it's a 4-bedroom. This is the first bedroom right here. This is the front of the house. I call this Filipino sized bedroom. This is about 10 foot by 10 foot. Hooking around here, this is where they had their little living area. And they were a hardcore Filipino family, so this was their dining area. And you can see how big it is. It takes up most of the western side of the house. They also got some nice cabinets that they got installed up there. And this shelving, actually, I never got the name or was able to find the guy who did these for them. Actually, I think it was a relative of theirs who did it. These are really nice. And they got those all around leading into the kitchen area. Kitchen area is very nice. Again, a lot of cabinetry. They actually got more cabinetry, a lot more cabinetry than we have in our house. I like it. I guess you could put your dishwasher there. Yeah, it looks like there was actually something like a dishwasher there. It would put your refrigerator, stove, you want a stove inside. This is the little backyard area. This is where you got your dirty kitchen. This is where I do most of my cooking. This hooks around to the carport over on the side. There is a water pump over there that actually works. And there is some kind of fruit tree with big green fruits on it. I'm not sure what kind of fruits those are, but it is a fruit tree right there. That's pretty cool. And let's check out the other bedrooms. Also on the front of the house right here, this is the master bedroom. This is the big bedroom. This is a nice spacious bedroom right here. I like this. Big space. Got cutouts for your air conditioner, which you have to have in the Philippines, especially as a foreigner. And if you like pink, you're gonna absolutely love this bathroom. This CR right here. It's nice pink. You got the sink. So this is en suite, as we all call it. And you got a water heater. It's pink. So you got your en suite here right off the main bedroom, the master bedroom. And then there's 2 more bedrooms and another bath over here. This was one of the daughter's bedrooms right here. And I just found out that they never used air conditioning. That's hardcore, man. Filipinos are tough. And this is the second bedroom right here. And this one does have a cutout for an air conditioner. And they got built-in cabinetry again right here. This back part of the house has slider windows. I actually prefer these to the jalousie because they insulate a little bit better when you're using air conditioning. And the second bathroom is right here, the CR, I should say, is right here. You got your toilet, you got your sink, and you got your shower. So yeah, the reason the seller is selling this is because she has built another house up on the mountain, and she took her daughters up there, and they're gonna live up there. Again, 4.5 million pesos, negotiable. I did this video because I only want to be doing videos if it's content I'm interested in doing, or I think my viewers would be interested in seeing. And I think this might be something people might be interested in seeing. Property prices, that type of thing in the Philippines. Property prices have gone up quite a bit in the last 10 years in the Philippines, rivaling the costs of some of the first world nations. But it's a nice area. As you can hear, it's actually quite quiet. I don't hear any noise, I don't hear any roosters, I don't hear any barking dogs, I don't hear any DBS mufflers screaming down the road. You got electricity, and you got solar. So if you're interested in checking out this house for 4.5 million pesos, about 81,000 US dollars, just send me an email at myphilippinedreams@gmail.com, and I will get you in touch with the owner. Till next time, puppies, rainbows, and solar. You gotta have solar in the Philippines for all. See you next time on My Philippine Dreams.